Postgraduate Diploma in Rehabilitation Psychology, PGDRPC. Program Overview. Rehabilitation psychology is a field in which psychological principles are applied to the assessment and intervention, care of people with disability, injury or illness. It covers human life stages from early childhood to late adulthood. Rehabilitation psychologists help people to overcome barriers of their daily living through research, practice, and advocacy. The newly offered professional program, Postgraduate Diploma in Rehabilitation Psychology, PGDRPC, is according to norms and guidelines of Rehabilitation Council of India, RCI. The program covers in-depth theoretical concepts related to disability, rehabilitation, assessment, and counseling, and community-based rehabilitation. The practical training will help the learner in identification, assessment, and intervention in the field of disability and rehabilitation. Highlights: a professional program recognized by RCI. After completing the program, one is eligible to apply to RCI as a rehabilitation counselor. In-depth theoretical concepts and practical training in the field of disability and rehabilitation psychology. Eligibility, as per RCI Norms and Regulations, 2017. Bachelor's degree, regular mode, with general psychology courses in all the 3 years. Or, master's degree in any branch of psychology either in regular or distance mode. Or, master's degree in counseling psychology either in regular or distance mode, with a minimum of 55% marks in aggregate. For the SC, ST, OBC category, a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate is essential. Entry qualification shall be from a UGC recognized university. Medium of instruction, English. Mode of registration, open and distance learning, ODL. Duration, minimum 1 year and 6 months, maximum 3 years. Fee structure, 20,000 rupees for full program. Admission procedure, on merit basis. Total seats, 200. Total credits of the program, 32. Study materials, print and digital, both. Criteria for merit list. The merit of the candidate will be determined as per the following. 1. Bachelor's degree marks in percentage, 30% weightage. 2. Master's degree marks in percentage, 70% weightage. 3. Aggregate marks in percentage, out of 100. The merit list will be finalized based on the above criteria. The following other conditions may be imposed as the tiebreaker rule. A. Master's degree marks will get priority. B. If the tie persists after the rule A, then date of birth will be considered. Important information regarding application form. Visit https://ignuflip.samarth.edu.in/. To complete application form, follow the instructions given on the registration page and fill all the necessary information wherever required. Candidates holding a master's degree in psychology or any related branch of psychology are required to upload their master's mark sheet along with the formula for converting CGPA scores to percentage, if applicable, and a copy of their master's degree. In the additional upload section under the Uploads tab, Program Coordinators, Dr. Ashwani Kumar and Dr. Monica Misra, Discipline of Psychology, School of Social Sciences, IGNOU, New Delhi. Email, pgdrpc@ignou.ac.in. Official website, www.ignou.ac.in.